the sacral chakra, the Swadhisthana chakra. This is the second energy center to develop after the root chakra, where the root chakra is the basic storehouse of our karmas and activated in the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is symbolized by a lotus with 6 petals. Each petal represents a negative quality that we need to overcome. These qualities are anger, hatred, jealousy, cruelty, desire, and pride. Emotional development runs parallel to that of the sacral chakra. And since emotions make a deep impact on our relationships, which develop at a very young age, it also impacts our emotional well-being. In some cases, a sacral imbalance manifests as a physical issue, but in some cases, it triggers the deep emotional wounds that haven't yet healed. Finally, the sole function of the sacral chakra is moving past the craving and aversion cycle so that whatever is happening in our lives or bodies is welcome and pleasurable. Now I'm going to share 3 tips to balance your sacral chakra. The first one is, let your creativity flow. Focus for 15 to 20 minutes in writing or drawing anything or something which is not to be judged. That is, nobody sees it. It's for your eyes only. Let your hands do whatever designs, coloring, text, whatever you want, and you may throw away the finished product without judging it yourself. The second tip, forgive yourself. Sit with yourself at least for 10 to 15 minutes every day and silently repeat the following: I am sorry, I forgive you, I love you, and thank you. You may also do mirror work here. So let's say you're standing or sitting in front of the mirror and look into your eyes for as many times as possible. Keep repeating these 4 phrases, these 4 sentences. And maybe later also, you may do one more thing. Do this for someone whom you need to forgive and say thank you to. The third tip, feel your bodily sensations. In this, sit in silence for 20 to 30 minutes every day. Just be aware of all the sensations, the feelings in your body. Acknowledge them. Say to them, I see you, I feel you, and let them pass. So these were a few tips about the sacral chakra. And now I'm going to share the affirmations. And as earlier, before the affirmations, I'm going to say the sound VAM. So just keep your eyes closed whenever you're listening to this. VAM. See the color orange when you are listening to this. VAM. VAM. Connect with this orange color and say VAM as many times as you can, and you will feel your chakras opening up and balancing as well. Now I'm coming to the affirmations for the sacral chakra, which, as I suggested, you can repeat them 3, 7 or 21 times, as many times during the day as you want. The first one, I'm open to giving and receiving appropriate sexual energy. I'm open to enjoying all pleasures that the world has to offer to me. And the third one, I flow through my sensual experiences. So these are the affirmations for the sacral chakra. And now, tomorrow we'll go on to the solar plexus. So stay tuned and thank you so much, and keep practicing and share your feedbacks. Thank you so much.